In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join dating on Facebook. First, let's open the Facebook app. Locate the app on your device's home screen. If you are using an Android or an iPhone, the app icon is easy to spot. It features a white F on a blue background. Tapping this icon launches the app. Once the app opens, you may need to sign into your Facebook account if you are not already logged in. If you see a login screen, enter your email or phone number and password. This is crucial because accessing your account allows you to use Facebook dating features. Once you're signed in, we are ready to move on. Next, tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines or a grid, depending on your version. You can find this icon in the bottom right corner on iPhones or the top right corner on Android devices. This menu is the gateway to many features on Facebook. It is where you can access different sections of the app, from your profile to groups you are part of. Tapping this icon will display a list of options. This will help you navigate smoothly to the dating section. Now look for the dating option, represented by a heart icon. Scroll through the menu until you see it. Tapping on the heart icon will take you directly to the Facebook dating feature. This is an exciting moment as you are one step closer to finding connections on the platform. Facebook dating is designed to help you meet new people based on your interests. Once you tap dating, you will see an option that says Get Started. Tap this button to begin the setup process. This step is essential as it initiates the creation of your dating profile. You will be guided through various prompts to fill out your dating preferences. This makes your experience more personalized and effective. Now you will need to enter your dating details. This may include your sexual orientation, preferences for potential matches, and what you are looking for in a relationship. Providing accurate details ensures that Facebook can match you with compatible people. It's important to be honest and clear about what you want. This little step saves you a lot of time later. After entering your details, the next step is to add photos and a bio. You can choose pictures from your Facebook account or your device. Adding a bio allows you to express yourself and share a little about who you are. This is your chance to showcase your personality and interests, making you more attractive to potential matches. Once you have filled in your information and uploaded photos, it's time to review your profile. Take a moment to look over everything you have entered. Ensure that your details are correct and that your photos represent you well. This is important because a well-crafted profile increases your chances of finding matches. Finally, tap Confirm or Done to finalize the creation of your dating profile. This action means you are officially part of Facebook dating. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your profile is active. This is an exciting moment as it opens the door to new connections and opportunities. Now you can start browsing and matching with people, explore profiles, and see who catches your interest. This part of the process is fun and can lead to meaningful interactions. Remember, the more you engage, the better your chances of finding a match. Enjoy the journey of meeting new people,